Got these pretty little crystals. Sort of a barrel shape. And then a diagonal drilled cubes. And some triangles. So we're going to see what we can do with these. So first off, I'm going to take one of the triangles and put it on. Then I'm going to use one of these for the crystal. Put a crystal on. Put one of these on. A spacer. Then put another triangle, you see it. I don't know if you can see it or not. We'll just put spacers between that big one. And we'll put our square on. And then one more triangle. Alright. That's how it's going to look. And these I'm going to roll down because that triangle is pointy. And I feel like that I am going to break it if I don't. And I'm going to cut off a little bit and leave probably, I'd say about 5/8 of an inch. And we're just going to roll. That way I don't hit the top of that crystal and break it. Because they look fragile. Whether they are or not, I don't know. But I have a tendency to be heavy-handed and I break them. So we're gonna, this is just gonna be a quick little pair of earrings that you can knock together. If you have these beads, you can use any bead you have. You don't have to use the same beads I've got, unless you want to. It's just an idea of something you can make. Mother and daughter and grandmother and grandchild, you know, or just to make to wear. That's why I'm putting these earring videos up, because I'm sure there's someone out there that wants to learn how to make something simple. Make their own. That way they can pick their own beads, and we'll roll that a little bit tighter on the end. The closer you get to the end, the tighter your roll is. Just whenever you get close to that bead, be careful. We don't need those. We need two of these ear wires. And mine open on the back. hold the blow ball and twist it. And then slide it in and twist it back. I'll get it that way. And twist it back. Just make sure that they're closed, because you don't want your ear wire to come loose from your earring. Well, yeah, thanks for watching. I think you'll realize pretty soon that my favorite color is blue. I like all colors, but blue is my favorite. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for making it to the end, and like and subscribe, and until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.